Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use ePlatform Digital Library. So if you're using a computer or a laptop, you can go to any browser and type on this link smk stgt smk St. Joseph typing.eplatform.co. So you will come to this web page, and this is your school's digital library. So we have also a mobile app that you can download at the App Store or Google Play, and you just need to look for ePlatform and you will find the app there and you can download the app. Okay, so once you downloaded the app, so you can search for your school SMK St. George Typing, and then you can log in from there. So the function of the app is same as in the website, the portal. So now I'm going to show you how to log in using the portal. Okay, so this is the home page. You can see there are listening favorites, popular titles, and latest edition new releases here. Okay, you can check for monthly new titles at this place, latest editions or new releases. Okay, if you are going to use the IQ Nilam, you can click on this link and it will direct you to the IQ Nilam website to key in your Nilam. Okay, so now I'll just go back to the main digital library portal. So first thing first, you need to sign in. So for signing in, you need to key in your username. So your username will be your student MOE email address, and the password is SMK St. Joseph SMKSG 2021. Okay, so I'll type it here SMKSG 2021. Okay, so that's the password. So I'll go ahead and click sign in. Okay, so now once you are signed in, so you'll see your name here and you can click on to browse. So once you click on to browse, you can see there are a lot of books that you can borrow and read or listen. So the books with the audiobook with the earphone sign is an audiobook, and the books without the earphone sign, that will be an ebook. So you can select the different filters here. We have fiction, non-fiction, different format, ebook, audiobook, and also language, English, Chinese, and Malay books. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and click on to one of the titles. Example, this one, The Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe by C.S. Lewis. Okay, so you can see here, once you click onto the book, there will be a 2 weeks time frame that you can read the book, and also there are some other recommended titles within this series or other titles that are similar to the one that you have selected here. Okay, and if you like to key in all the other details in the Nilam, so we have the publisher, the number of pages here, and autobiography, and all the short summary of the book here. Okay, so I'll just click borrow, and then you can just go ahead and click read. If you finish reading, you can click return, and I'll just click read now. If not, it will be also automatically returned after 2 weeks. Okay, so normally it will show you the main book cover, and you can just click left and right to borrow the books. To read the books. Okay, so there's a chapter 1, you can click here. Okay, so the content of the book has started, so you can start reading. Okay, so there are some functions here that you can use. Example, if you like the words to be bigger, you can also use this shortcut key. Launch the setting wizard. You can change the background color, the font style, the text size, and the line spacing. So it'll be much easier or bigger for you to read. And you can click on to any word and it will show you the definition. Example like this one, splendid. Click on to define. and there will be a built-in dictionary to show you the words, the meaning of the words, or you can also click on to view Google results, and there will be also meaning of the word and also the translation to other languages like Malay or Chinese or Tamil. You can use this to translate. Okay, so this is the definition. So if you like to take some notes in the book, you can do a highlight. Just click on the text and click highlight. If you have any words that you like to type, you can do so here. If not, you can just select the color that you prefer and save. Click the yes, and then it will show in your bookmark here. Okay. You can also make a bookmark of that page using this corner here. So this is a shortcut key. Okay, so you can just click left and right to read the book. Okay, so this will be for the ebook, and I'll go ahead and go back to the library. Okay, now I'll show you the audiobook. Example, this one, Frankenstein. So you can also click borrow, and then you can click listen. For the audiobook, they don't have the number of pages, so it's a time for the book. So this is around 1 hour and 23 minutes. So there are many chapters here. You can see 15 chapters. Each chapter has around 4 to 7 minutes. So you can just click play to listen.
Oxford Bookworms, Stage 3. Frankenstein by Mary Shelley. Retold by Patrick Nobes.
Okay, so this is the reading of the audiobook. So there are no text, it's just like for you to listen. You can just plug into an audio and listen to the book. So this is the audiobook. Okay, so now you can go to check at the loans here. What are the books that you have borrowed? Example, you have borrowed this Frankenstein and the Lion, Witch and the Wardrobe. So if you like to check your loan history, you can show here. Normally, if you have borrowed other title, it will show here. Okay, so just want to show you one more function. If you finish reading, you can just click return before you can borrow another book, because one user can only borrow 2 books at a time. Okay, so now if let's say some of the books, they are popular titles, so it might be borrowed out by some of the users. Example for these titles here. Okay, so if example you like to borrow this book Harry Potter, and it will show you when this book expected availability on the 10th August. So if you like to borrow, you can click reserve. So once it's available, it will be reserving for you for 2 days. So you have to come in here to borrow the book, and you can we will send you a notification by email once the book is available. So the user might return the book earlier, and then we'll notify you to come in to borrow. So we'll hold the book for you for 2 days. If you don't borrow, then it will go to the next person on the queue list. Okay, so this is for reserving. Okay, so we also have one more function is save here. If like let's say you like to save the title for later, it's just like saving for your favorite list. You can go to save, click on this one, and then it will be under your save list. Okay, so it will be like let's say save under your favorite list. So if let's say you have borrowed 2 books and later you want to borrow this book, you can just save it to later, and then you can borrow it. It's just a reminder for you at the save list. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy reading using ePlatform Digital Library. Download the app as well if you're using tablet or mobile phone to read, so it's easier for you. Okay, so have a great time reading. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.